I'm Dr. Vernon Williams with the One Aesthetic Medical Center. Today we're going to talk about Tickle Liposuction. Now, liposuction is a way of removing fat from your body. And we can do it in such a way that we can sculpt your body the way you like. Now, fat is something that you've had since you were a baby. And when you turn puberty, whatever fat cells you have, you'll have for the rest of your life. When you gain weight, it's because your fat cells became more toxic. And when your fat cells become more toxic, your fat cells get fat. And when your fat cells get fat, you gain inches and you gain weight. When you detox, you force your fat cells to give off their toxins. Your fat cells shrink, and when they shrink, you lose inches and you lose weight. But your fat cells never change. So they always get bigger or smaller, and that's how you gain weight and you lose weight. The only way to actively take your fat cells out is to do liposuction. Now, you can do laser lipo, or you can do traditional liposuction, or you can do tickle lipo. When you do laser liposuction, you actually rupture your fat cells, and the toxins in your fat cells are spilled in your body, and they can cause deleterious effects on your body. When we do tickle liposuction, we actually pull the fat out of your body so we can take as much fat as we need to. Typically, you have skin, then you have fat, and then you have muscle. We use a tiny catheter. The catheter goes into the fat, and that numbs the area with what we call saline, with some numbing medicine, and then the tiny catheter comes and pulls the fat cells out. And so when we're done, you have muscle and you have skin with a little bit of fat on it, and it can be sunk down, tightened on your skin. So therefore, when we do liposuction, tickle, the catheter vibrates, and when it vibrates, it only takes fat cells out. If it hits muscle or nerves, it stops vibrating. It's called tickle lipo because people, when they undergo the procedure, they feel ticklish and they laugh and they giggle because of the tickling sensation. But tickle liposuction is a great way to remove fat cells and sculpt your body in the shape that you want. Traditionally, we use tickle lipo for the abdomen and back. We also use for the arms, we use for the neck, we use for the thighs and the legs, wherever you have a lot of fat to remove. Now, one question people always ask is, will the fat comes back? Well, once those fat cells are removed, they never can come back, but you can grow new fat cells if you overeat. Thank you all very much. This is Dr. Vernon Williams.